Hi, good morning. My name is Chagai Rosenfeld, the CIO Innovation of Israeli Railways. Let's talk about the Israeli Railways innovation and our challenges. So Israeli Railways is a state-owned company. We are actively engaged in mass transportation, committed to providing the best possible services to our passengers. Complex equipment and infrastructures are maintained, including railways, station, building, bridge, as well as sophisticated technological infrastructure projects. With a wide range of activities, the company faces many challenges. The bottom line is that this is a national infrastructure that must meet current and changing needs and to be adapted to the needs of the coming decades. For example, through the railways electrification project and up to hydrogen train. Innovation is at the core of the vision of Israeli Railways company for the future. We have implemented innovative process over the past few years that are expected to contribute to public transportation, entrepreneurships, and business growth. Our company deals with a wide range of different areas and uses a variety of technologies. Consequently, we are adopting an open innovation strategy which relies heavily on entrepreneurs, tech companies, and startups, and academy. We promote and implement innovation in practice and examine startup using fast and professional process that takes up to 2 months. In addition, we conduct field experiments and allow startups to access unique knowledge and resources. Investments are also made in selected startups that enjoy, among other services, exclusive beta sites, access to experts, and the ability to implement their solution at our premises. We also help these selected companies penetrate the local and international markets. A clicker. Thank you. There are currently over 40 projects in a wide range of fields that are in the proof of concept phase, which serves as a beta site for cutting-edge technologies, enabling it to develop and assimilate advanced technologies into our core business. At present, we are seeking innovative solutions to promote and improve our passenger service experience. The focus is first and last mile solution, accessibility, in-station and or on train. Solutions that resolve the first and last mile issue by offering transportation services and infrastructures, enhance connections from home to the train station and from the train station to the destination. These solutions should fill the transportation network gaps and be integrated into the existing train app or services by allowing the passenger to plan his entire journey with a holistic experience and pricing solution. Smart solution to ensure the journey on the train will be available to all users, particularly those with disabilities and special needs, starting from the first and last mile to the first step into the train station building, through the station space and all the railroad cars, and up to the destination, to enable the freedom of movements for all users. Is it possible to make the train car or station a community space, perhaps a classroom, a co-working space? Are the technologies that can be implemented to enhance and improve the user experience in those spaces? The solutions we will select and promote will be shared with the Ministry of Transport and Road Safety, that we can contribute to better and smarter mass transportation connectivity. The challenge we announced today is done jointly with EcoMotion. Thank you, Evyatar, and thank you, Tamar. And the winner will have the opportunity to test the product with our team and our experts under our guidance while using our facilities. The prize is valued at approximately $50,000 US. The Israeli Railways Innovation Division invites you to propose solution to problem in the core area of railway industry. This is an opportunity for you to be part of a national revolution in mass transport. And I welcome you to be part of it and to contact us. And I assure you that we will do our utmost to assist you. Thank you.
Thank you, Chagai. So, hello everyone, I'm Evyatar, Executive Director of EcoMotion. So, thank you all for coming to my bar mitzvah. Actually, this is the main part of my bar mitzvah because we are so excited to work together with the Israel Railway Company to work on solutions for first and last mile, because the railway company is actually the biggest transporter of people in Israel, and goods, of course. And it's a great solution to get, say, for example, from Tel Aviv to Jerusalem, if you can plan your journey right. And here is where the challenge starts. For us, when we want to get from point A to point B, we're not asking ourselves if we have that train station or this train station, or if we have a car or that car. Okay? We just want to get from A to B. And this challenge is about making that as fun, comfortable, and quick as possible using the train. So I'll give you a few details about the challenge. Okay, so together we are inviting you, technological companies, people with ideas that can be showcased and proved, to join us and to implement your idea in the Israeli Railway Company. Our challenge is, as Chagai said, in first and last mile solutions, in accessibility, and in station and on the train, all around the journey experience, and the journey experience for everyone. For example, solutions for first and last mile can revolve around micromobility, transportation services to the station, connectivity, shared mobility, like Yos mentioned. Accessibility, we will have Yuval in a second to tell us what it's like to have accessibility issues and how it can limit you. And of course, a true mass commute system must be available for everyone. So I'm challenging you here to address this challenge. And what is a train station? What is a car in a train? Is it just a place where you sit and commute from one place to another? Or can it be a classroom, a co-working space? Okay, you're already sitting somewhere. Maybe it's a chance to do a meeting. So all these nice ideas and your ideas can join in and create a great journey experience over the train. So we are now opening the application, starting today. The application will be open till July 10th. Then we will go through an application review. We'll announce finalists on July 21st. We'll have a preparation session. We'll have mentoring. We'll have people working with the selected solutions to match them to the train, to the railway company needs. And then we'll have a final event in August, followed by an announcement of the winner and a process of a POC, ending in a demonstration of your technology on the train or around it. This application is open for startup, entrepreneurs, technological company, anyone that has a solution that can be actually implemented, not in the level of an idea, but can actually be implemented in a short period of time, because we are thinking of getting that to each and every one of us. We want to enjoy that solution. And the finalists will present their solutions to a cohort of expert judges that will choose the winning team to perform the POC. Think you have what it needs? You can scan this QR code and start applying right now. So now I want to invite over a good friend, Yuval Wagner from Accessibility Israel, a fighter, a lecturer, and an inspiration to us all. And Yuval will tell us a bit about the accessibility experience. Thank you, Yuval.
Thank you. Great program, and hopefully some great ideas will improve our lives in the future.
Looking forward.
Thank you. Okay, so my name is Yuval Wagner. When I was young, I was an Israeli pilot. Unfortunately, I crashed due to a technical failure, but I was lucky enough to stay alive, but on a wheelchair. Like me, they have 15% of the population are people with disabilities. 15% to 18%. The UN says this is the biggest minority in the world. Don't forget the elderly, that are approximately 11% to 14%, and a crowd that's growing. Them themselves, 50% of them are also with accessibility needs, motorically, hearing, vision, and other disabilities. So we in Israel founded Access Israel, which is a non-profit organization that makes Israel and the world accessible for all people with disabilities. We work in all areas of life and for all kinds of disabilities, making our lives accessible and inclusive. One of the main areas and the most important areas for us is this, locomotion, transportation. So thank you for having me presenting here on this very important issue. Because without accessible transportation, the meaning is, sorry, we are stuck at home. We are at home arrest. We want to go out. We want to live exactly like you guys. We want to go to work. We want to go to study. We want to enjoy our life. We want to travel. So we need transportation to be accessible. Transportation is a puzzle. You know it better than me. It's trains, it's taxis, it's buses, and many other solutions. And in the future, even more solutions like the last mile and other unique solutions. So we want to challenge you. We want to make sure that every new technology that is B2C, that is what it serves the public, let's make it accessible for all disabilities by design. That's a challenge. Let's not do it retroactively like we failed to do when we build all the built environment that it's not accessible, and we're still suffering until today about it. We have an amazing opportunity right now to make the future accessible by design. So we made this amazing project, international project, called Possible. And here, Nir, please pick up your hand. Nir is our leader innovation director on this project, and you can meet him together after. And the idea is very simple. If you are developing, if you have technologies that at the end of the day are directly serving the clients, those that use the transportation, and you want to make sure you engage 100% of the potential users, which includes people with disabilities and the elderly, call Nir. Consult with us how to do it right to make sure it's accessible. The other thing that we do is we do research. We check in all those areas of transportation what still needs to be done? What still are the barriers that we have to challenge in order to make sure the solutions that you develop will be accessible? For example, let's take the taxi, the autonomous taxis that we're looking forward to see it. How is a blind person even knows that the taxi arrives? It's quiet, it doesn't have any noise. How does he do it? We have to make sure he knows how to identify when the taxi arrives. How do I enter the taxi? Today, when they have buses and trains with lifts, we have assistants that come help us to go on the ramp and enter and lock down. But how would it be done in the future in autonomous taxi, autonomous train, where they don't have personnel to assist? This is just two examples, but have many, many more. Together, you guys and Access Israel and Project Possible can make the future accessible by design. So contact us. Thank you very much. And let's make the future not just amazing technology, but also fully accessible and inclusive for all. Thank you very much.